Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you how to write a short story. Short stories are account of real or fictional incidents narrated in an interesting manner. A story needs to be planned well. Every story has some people who are the characters, their actions and reactions from the story. There has to be a background or a place which is referred to as the setting of the story. Every story has a beginning, middle, and end. A story is divided into paragraphs. The first paragraph is introductory, while the last one contains conclusion. The middle paragraphs develop the topic. Three most important things that make a story are: first, plot. Most stories have a sequence and purpose or the reason why the story is being told. Some stories have a moral or a message, others have usual ending or suspense. Some stories are adventurous, some are funny, and some are scary. We see a starting point that moves through different courses to an ending point. Second is characters. The story has people, animals, or any other creatures in it. To add a touch of reality, it is necessary to base them on real life. It is also important to think of a special qualities or behavior patterns. Build the characters to result in reaction of admiration, fear, hatred, etc. The third is setting. The background of the story is the setting. The story can happen in a forest or a classroom or anywhere in the space also. It is also possible for the story to happen in a totally imaginary place like Toyland, Fairyland, Moon, Mars, Jupiter, anywhere. And one most important thing is it is very important to have a good beginning and a proper ending. Now come to the contents of a good story. I had written some contents of the good stories. You must follow the contents while writing the stories. First, write a catchy first paragraph. Means your first paragraph is very attractive. Develop your characters. You can develop your characters, any characters, human, animals, plants, or anyone from the other planets also, aliens. Choose a point of view. Write meaningful dialogue. Means you start with a meaningful dialogue between the two characters or any. Use setting and context. Setting includes the time, location, context, and atmosphere where the plot takes place. Means setting is very important. You have to choose the setting where the story is going to happen, in a forest or in a river, in a classroom, in a house or anywhere. Set up the plot. A plot is a series of events deliberately arranged so as to reveal their dramatic, thematic, and emotional significance. Next is create conflict. Conflict means sangharsh, those who work very hard. And tension. Either you have to create conflict and tension. Conflict produces tension that makes the story begin. Tension is created by opposition between the character and internal or external forces or condition. Means here you have to make a very good conflict. Suppose in many stories we read that there was a very poor boy who was very good in studies, and one day he became IAS. And we also read several types of story like there was a fisherman, he was very poor, hardly he got a fish, and in this way he was living his life. But one day he caught a fish which has a diamond or pearls or anything or gold inside it, and again he become rich. Now build a crisis or climax. This is the turning point of the story. Means when the fisherman got a golden ring or diamond, that is the climax or turning point of the story. Find a resolution. The solution to the conflict is resolution. And also remember few tips while writing the story. Tips to remember: the story needs to be original. The story needs to be written in an interesting manner. The story needs to have a message. It must give some message. The beginning of the story needs to be exciting and should capture the attention of the readers. The end of the story needs to be worth remembering. An interesting and suitable title should be given. Means the story must contain an interesting or suitable title. Thank you.